Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back again in this channel. The planet Earth maybe for about 90% it consists of the water, and one of the water in this planet is the sea. You can see another place, maybe in your country there are a lot of the sea, and then one of the biggest thing in essential in the planet Earth is the maybe ocean, like Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and the others. And then if you see the sea, there are a lot of potential like fish, tuna fish, dolphin, and the others. So a lot of animal in the sea may be very unique, yeah, very unique, like a bear or penguin and the others. And then one of the important things that if you have working in the sea, if you cross the some country, maybe if you cross the Africa, and then in Africa there is one dangerous country. His name is Somalia. Yeah, Somalia can maybe this is very dangerous country because a lot of pirate in Somalia is very dangerous, especially if there is someone or there is a ship, maybe the big ship come to Somalia, across the Somalia, and then become of pirate in Somalia is very dangerous because pirate of the Somalia can make some destroy from your ship. So the question is why in Somalia until now a lot of pirate. What is the problem in this country? This is we'll discuss, and after and before it, let's play the intro. If you watch a film or movie, his name is Captain Phillips. You will be you will be meet a dangerous thing that Somalia is a very dangerous country in the world, especially in Africa territory. Somalia is one country in Eastern Africa, and then Somalia has a lot of tuna, and then Somalia famous from the pirate in the world. So maybe if there is a big ship or the boat or yacht across in Somalia territory, especially in their sea, so you have to get ready meet by pirates, because in Somalia until now there is a lot of pirate. Yeah, Somalia, the religious of the Somalia actually is a Muslim popularity is very much, because Somalia maybe at the time in the past there are a lot of Muslim population, but Somalia famous by the pirate. Why this condition is very dangerous until here? Because people in Somalia actually their job is a fisherman, yeah, like a father, son, and the family actually a fisherman. But Somalia is a very potential by the tuna, yeah, tuna, and also a camel, and also the cow of the meat. And then Somalia, the tuna in Somalia is very delicious than another tuna in this this country. And then a fisherman in Somalia, if there is a big ship across to Somalia's territory, and then become a thief or a pirate in Somalia, because Somalia think, people in Somalia think, fishermen especially in Somalia think that anyone across to Somalia should be responsibility. Yeah, because fishermen or pirates in Somalia think that everyone who across this Somalia's territory, Somalia argue that a big ship will be across to Tuna in Somalia. So this is why the reason Somalia become the pirate. And then if Somalia is only a fisherman, it's not too much money. Yeah, because if you're watching a movie Captain Philip, a pirate of Somalia maybe request $10 million for the Captain Phillips. Yeah, and Alabama ship. In this movie, we know that Somalia is very dangerous because actually they are not a thief, they are not a pirate, they are just a fisherman. But in Somalia, fishermen a lot of weapon like a gun and grenade, and also the others. So very dangerous. So the family in Somalia, especially the parent, think that the Somalia thief or Somalia's fisherman is like Robin Hood. Yeah, maybe become the hero. So if maybe anyone can cross in Somalia's territory, and then the Somalia don't care about the territories, about their territories, about their international territory sea. Somalia think that international sea territory is Somalia. It is one of Somalia, no international territory. So this is the second reason why the Somalia is still lot of pirate until now. Yeah, Somalia, I don't care about this territory of international because they are think this is our island, this is our country. So anyone across our country, across our territory should be responsibility and should be maybe some barter, maybe money or the others. Yeah, from the big ship or for and maybe from the rich person, especially from Europe and America or anyone across the Somalia's territory in the sea. And then there are a lot of children in Somalia become a pirate because their parents support them. Yeah, because if Somalia's become pirate, it will be pride of the Somalia's people. It's like Robin Hood, and also this is like a hero. Yeah, because if the Somalia's become a thief or become a pirate, it will be a protector from their territory. Yeah, back again to the reason number 2, because until now, Somalia's people think that their territory is very big. Yeah, they don't care. They don't know about the international territory. So if anyone across the Somalia's territory in the sea, in their sea, should be responsible. So this is why until now the Somalia become a big or a dangerous country in Africa, also in Eastern Africa. Their parents support them, and they don't care that the international territorial of Somalia. And then if children become a pirate, this is like a protector, hero, and also the Robin Hood from his or from their people in Somalia. So this is the 3 reasons why in Somalia until now is very dangerous and still a lot of pirate. So if you have job in the sea and then you cross to Somalia, you have to be careful. You have to be get ready to maybe a dangerous situation, or if you luck if you lucky, you can solve this problem. So you have to careful until now. Thank you so much, and I have a mistake. I do apologize if I had a big mistake, especially my English, my grammar, my diction, my sentences. There are a lot of error of my English. Thank you so much. See you next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.